Welcome to our short Excel tutorial where we'll show you how to easily hide rows in your spreadsheet to keep confidential information private. Let's dive in. There are different ways to hide rows, but we'll show you the quickest and simplest method. Start by selecting the row you want to hide. You can do this by clicking on the row number bar and choosing the relevant row. If you need to hide multiple rows at once, simply hold down the left-click mouse button and drag up or down to select the desired rows. To select multiple non-consecutive rows, hold down the Control key and click on each row you want to hide. Next, right-click on the highlighted rows to see the Hide option. Once you click on Hide, the selected rows will disappear. These hidden rows won't appear on the screen or print out if you decide to print the spreadsheet. Remember that you haven't deleted the hidden rows and can unhide them at any time. We'll cover how to do that in one of our next video tutorials. If you found this video tutorial helpful, please give us a like or leave a comment below and watch another video tutorial on how to in 2 minutes.